this is a good question, actually, Devesh. I actually had a call earlier on today with regards to that as such. So the situation was one of the partners was running an automation policy, and basically he was getting the user that was logged on to the machine, and he was trying to then identify was a certain file and folder located under the actual user's directory as such that was logged on to the machine. Now, he built the policy in Automation Manager, and he'd run the policy on Automation Manager against his own device by clicking the run button here, and everything would work fine within the actual status itself. He then obviously would upload his script to his N-Central server, and he'd go to run that policy against that particular device as well. So he'd come here, choose the devices he wanted to target, click on Add Task, run an automation policy. Excuse me. He was selecting his automation policy from the his drop-down list here, and he was running it. And when he ran it, he was actually getting not the desired result because it was actually looking at the local system account. So the issue there was he was using local system credentials. So if it's user specific on the device, then I would look at using something like device credentials or use currently logged on credentials or custom credentials as such. If the automation policy is more generic to the device itself and not to the actual user profile on the device, then use the local system credentials as such. So I would, by default, always use local system credentials. When I do any testing, when I do anything initially, I always use local system credentials. But obviously then when I do anything that's more user specific, for example, you're going to start using more custom credentials in that scenario as well.